Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your class teacher, Miss.Rafiya Anjum, and today I'm going to teach you English. Yes, in English, today we will learn a new alphabet. And the alphabet is letter X. Children, the first one is capital X and the second one is small x. The phonic sound of letter X is Z. The phonic sound of letter X is Z. Now I am going to tell you one story of letter X. So listen carefully. Princess Xenia and her little brother Prince Zeno live in a palace in the magical land of Zalala. They both play with xylophone.